What's up, everybody? It's Christopher J, Sick Hands RBN. It's been a long day in Orlando. We're still on our Great Southern Arcade RoadTrip, but now I'm meeting up with some friends up here at the Oviedo Bowling Center. We're about to get our pinball on. And if you're thinking, oh, this is just a bowling alley, how good can it possibly be? Get prepared to be blown away, because this bowling alley is the home of the Pinball Lounge. Come on in. Real quick, I want to give a shout out to Kurt, one of the owners of the Pinball Lounge, who welcomed me in and allowed me to film on a very busy Friday night. It's Flip Out Friday over here, and they've got an all-you-can-play special for the night. 8 p.m. till closing, just $10. This spot has been around for 11 years, and they're very highly regarded in the pinball community as one of the best places to play in the area. And with games like these, you can see why. You know what? I'll let the machines do the talking from here on out. Enjoy! So you've already seen most of the pinball machines back here in the lounge area, but there's still a few more pins out near the bowling alley, not to mention a smaller redemption arcade section. It's a bowling alley after all. What are you gonna do? In any case, let's take a quick look. And then finally, the last few pins over here. And yes, these ones are still included in that all-you-can-play deal. I was here mid-March, but they change their games out so frequently, it's a good bet that there's already been a ton of different stuff rotated in. If you're in the area, make sure to stop by. Also, grab some corn dog nuggets. Yum! Holy dang, this is the end of day 11 of the road trip. We've made it over the halfway point in days, and well over the halfway point in locations visited. With all 11 of today's stops logged, including all the Universal Orlando arcades, plus Fun Spot, Main Event, and the Mystery Funhouse, we're now up to 88 arcades visited. I think it's safe to say that we're not just going to break our goal of 100 arcades in the span of 3 weeks, we're going to absolutely smash it. Well, tomorrow is our last and final day in Orlando. We've got a few more stops to make before we head further south to our next base of operations, Port St. Lucie. Stay tuned because we're going to have some really interesting stuff coming up, and our next stop is the massive Arcade Orlando at Desertland. See you then. I've been Christopher J, Sick Hands RBN, reminding you to like, comment, subscribe, or join, and I'll see you all next time. Hey, it's me, Christopher J, Sick Hands RBN. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video, and very special thanks to all of our channel's fans, super fans, and sponsors. If you want to help support more arcade tour videos and road trips, please click the join link on the end card here or down in the description for more information on channel memberships. See you all next time.